Welcome to the Digital Multimeter Guide to Home Grounding Safety. This video will guide you on how to test your home's electrical grounding using a digital multimeter. We will measure 3 electrical paths: phase, which brings power in; neutral, which carries power out; and earth, which protects from stray electricity. Always inspect your leads for damage before testing. Hold probes strictly by the insulated handles, and never touch the bare metal tips on a live outlet. To configure the multimeter, connect the black probe to the COM port and the red probe to the V-omega port. Set the dial to AC voltage and choose a range limit of 600 volts or 750 volts. Step 1. Measure phase to neutral. Turn the wall switch ON before inserting probes. The target reading, VLN, should be between 220 volts and 240 volts, or 110 volts to 120 volts depending on your country grid. Step 2. Measure phase to earth. Keep the red probe in phase and move the black probe to earth. The target reading, VLE, should equal or nearly equal the VLN reading. Step 3. Measure neutral to earth. Place the red probe into neutral and keep the black probe in earth. The target reading, VNE, should be less than 2 volts AC with a maximum of 5 volts. This is the healthy grounding matrix. A phase earth reading equaling phase neutral proves a complete ground path. A neutral earth reading less than 2 volts AC indicates low electrical leakage. Diagnostic 1. Dead earthing. The symptom is a VLE reading of 0 volts, or close to 0, meaning the outlet has no earthing connection. The physical cause is a disconnected or missing earthing wire. Diagnostic 2. Weak earthing. VLE is significantly lower than VLN, indicating high electrical resistance in the ground path. This can be caused by loose wiring, corroded ground plates, or extremely dry soil. Diagnostic 3. High leakage voltage. AVNE reading greater than 2 to 5 volts suggests excessive neutral loop resistance or leakage current bleeding into the ground system. This stray current risks damaging sensitive home electronics. If you find dead earthing or high leakage voltages, consult a certified electrician immediately. Do not attempt to fix main ground lines yourself to prevent electrical fire hazards and equipment damage. Evaluate your context. Consider the specific voltage readings, whether you tested a standard outlet or heavy appliance, and if you are experiencing mild shocks. This information is key for diagnostic.